Okay, I'm here at the shop. I actually just washed all of this stuff. Now I'm just gonna take a look at this. It's gonna get fixed here pretty soon. We don't want to leave it sitting through the year just like that. I'm still just baffled at how it happened. What I've just barely done is I took why does this never focus? I guess I should look at it more often. I took one of these things, I don't even know what they're called, and I just cleaned off this nice big broken piece of steel. Yet again, I still have no idea how this happened. That's really loose. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not. But I cleaned off both sides of this thing. Come on, focus. There we go. I cleaned off this as well as this with that, and I'm just gonna get ready to weld it, because if I lift it back up here, it fits like a glove as it should. It's a little bit off, but I might be able to like put a jack under here or something to make that fit right. I think I'm just gonna weld it in place because I really don't know if taking this off. I never really even thought about taking it off. Well, I might be able to take it off. I'll have to do some thinking about that, because to take it off I'd have to undo all of this, which is big hardware, but I think that I could do it, and then I'd have a little bit more wiggle room. I'm gonna have to do some thinking about that. But anyway, that's my plan for now. I'll grind on this just a little bit so that I can have some more surface area to make a nice weld. I'm pretty terrible at welding though, but I'm still not afraid to learn how to do better. So yeah, that's my plan for now. Okay, I actually changed my mind about how I'm doing this. I'm actually gonna take that off. I got looking at it, all I've got to do is undo that guy, and that guy, and then I can get this off, and then there's just one right down there to get that off. So that's my plan. And then I can put it in a vise. I can't remember if I said already that I just decided to take it off, but I decided to take it off. So far I've got this guy undone and this guy undone. I'm going to keep going here and get that guy off, and then I should be able to take this out, or that out, and then off to the welder. I just came to the realization as this is flopping in the wind that I didn't need to take this off, so I'm going to put it back on. And then I'll be taking that piece down there to where the part that comes up that's broken isn't doing that. I flipped it up now so that I can get to that bolt there on the bottom. That's probably going to be the worst bolt of them all. So this will be fun. I have the breaker bar on it now, but I can't pull on it hard enough to break that loose. So I'm going to use a cheater bar of some sort to put some more torque on it. Torque is the word. I got it broke loose with the breaker bar. Now I'm going to put the ratchet on it and just take it off. Well, I got it off. Thank goodness. It was kind of a pain, but oh well. This thing got stuck on the nut too, which was not good, but I got it off. So I think that it's because of the paint. It likes to stick. But now it's going to be off to the welder to actually make the repair. So stay tuned. Okay, well, hopefully the wind noise isn't too terrible, but I made my welds. No welding expert by any means, but it's stuck together now, so that's what we needed. Hopefully it's strong enough to hold as it discs up rocks and stuff, but I'm going to put it back on now. Okay, I thought that I'd have to drop this end down in order for this to fit, but it's fitting. I've already got it in. So now I've just got to put the all the hardware back on, and then we're put back together. And then so I've got all my hardware on. Now all I've got to do is tighten it up. This was pretty easy to put back together, which is nice. So there we go. Alright, I think I'm done. This is tight. These are all tight, and all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna run a little bit of paint right there just to help out. You probably couldn't see where I was pointing. Right there. Help out with rust. So there we go. Good stuff.